Get you on the chair here.
More presents from Grandma and Grandpa?
What you got?
A box! You got a box!
Whoa. Water, wow!
I don't want to do these pictures.
You got water, wow.
Whoa.
Color with water. You can't color with water.
That is going to be fun, bud.
What do you think is in there?
Rip it open. Rip it open.
What do you think it is?
A book. Oh, no way. It's a movie? I love big machines. What's that?
What do you think? Is that going to be cool to watch? Yeah, I bet you can watch it
I
today.
think you're going to really like that.
Look at the back. There's more
Huge
pictures
dump
on.
truck.
There's more
Tires on
pictures
that
on the
dump truck.
back, buddy. Turn it over.
Maybe the waterworks should wait till
Those tires are as big
Possibly.
as a car.
you want to move out there.
Hey, what's that, an excavator?
Maybe the hotel.
That's just like the one you got for birthday.
You can watch it sometime today. That's like your I Love Toy Trains video.
Yeah.
Only it had big tractors.
What's with that tongue?
Oh, get that tongue.
Another surprise.
Oh,
Here you go.
silly.
That's it.
You got lots of presents. Whoa.
You better pick it up.
What do you tell Grandma and Grandpa for your presents?
Thank you.
What else do you want to tell them?
Thank you for coming to visit and having your birthday at our house.
Grandma's talking to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's pretty cool right there. And it's all live action. It's real machines.
Wow, should we plug that in?
Do you like big machines?
I'd watch that for a little bit.
Do you want to watch that, Brett?
Okay, let's get rid of